The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Johnson County in western Arkansas, southwestern Newton County in north-central Arkansas until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 10 miles northwest of Horsehead Lake, or 13 miles northeast of Ozark, and moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Walnut, Rosetta, Devil's Knob, Yale, Salis, Ark, Friley, Fallsville, Catalpa, Arbaugh, Wolf Pen Rec Area, Thompson Knob, Pinecrest Camp, Ozone Rec Area, Napoleon Knob, Moonhill MTN, Loafer, Gobbler's Knob. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move indoors until the storm passes.